Hello, good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. My name is Rebecca Tratmasari. Today, I would like to present my under thesis graduated. The title is Sexual Mental Disorder in Novel 50 Shades Trilogy by E.L. James as a Psychoanalysis Study. Okay, for the first is background of the study. Sexuality is a very personal thing in an individual's life. Sexuality needed in human is the same as eating needs that always demand to be fulfilled. Basically, sex becomes a normal thing for every individual, but in achieving sexual satisfaction, sometimes humans have different ways and even do in a deviant way. On American Psychiatry Association, sadomasochism disorder is the condition experiencing sexual arousal is response to the extreme pain, suffering, or humiliation of other. One of the novels or movie that discuss about gaining sexual pleasure, sadomasochism, or sexual mental disorder is novel trilogy 50 Shades by E.L. James. It tells about the main character who engages in sadomasochist sexual activities with Anastasia Steele. Next, for the research question. There are two research questions in my thesis. For the first is, how is Christian Grey as a sadomasochism depicted in 50 Shades Trilogy by E.L. James? And the second is, what are the causes of the main character experiencing sexual mental disorder? And for the objective of the study is to know what are sadomasochism depicted in novel 50 Shades Trilogy by E.L. James and to identify the factor that cause the main character sadomasochism in 50 Shades Trilogy by E.L. James. Next is approach of the study. This study employs psychoanalytic approach, as stated by Bresler. Psychoanalytic approach is a method of treating emotional and psychological disorder. And the psychoanalytic approach is used in this study because this approach is strategic to find the reason behind Christian Grey's psychological disorder as a sadomasochism or sexual sadism in specific. Sadism and masochism are classified into paraphilia. As stated by Davidson and Neely, paraphilia is described as being sexually attracted to unusual things or activities. Davidson and Neely also elaborate that the form of sadomasochistic or relationship between a sadist and masochist sexual intercourse are varied, such as restraint or physical bondage, blindfolding or sensory bondage, spanking, whipping, electrical shocks, cutting, and humiliation. In specific, Hill et al. States several indicators that can be categorized as sexual sadism. And regarding to the novel The 50 Shades Trilogy written by E.L. James, the activities of sadomasochism are bondage, handcuff, spanking, and whipping. And next for the findings, there are two findings in my thesis. For the first is, one revealed that Christian Grey is a sadomasochist based on the way he gains sexual excitement by inflicting pain, suffering, and humiliation. Besides, he also demonstrates a sadomasochistic sexual intercourse through spanking, whipping, blindfolding, and physical bondage. Next, he has personality that indicates his sexual sadomasochism disorder, by which are secretive, possessive, and controlling. Second, one revealed the main possible causes of Christian Grey's sexual sadomasochism disorder is that the past distressing experiencing that he has with Mr. Elena Robinson influences him to be a sadist. The sadomasochistic sexual intercourse is projected to Anastasia Steele. And for the conclusion, concluded that Christian Grey's core issues and his past childhood problem or sexual abuse become the main reason why he shapes himself as a sadist because he is able to transfer that back to his submissive masochists, including Anastasia Steele. Okay, that's all for my presentation for undergraduate degree in English language and literature. Thank you so much.